Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, Galaxy S25 Ultra's new battery details were spotted online and the manufacturer revealed details. On the other hand, Samsung officially confirms the new Exynos chipset, the next generation chipset for the Galaxy S25 lineup, and many other exciting new details. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. With Samsung's latest foldable phones finally unveiled at Unpacked 2024, the industry is slowly turning its gaze towards the next big launch event, the first Galaxy Unpacked of 2025. There everyone expects Samsung to reveal the upcoming Galaxy S25 flagship smartphones, and wouldn't you know it, Samsung's supply chain is already seen to churning out components. Finally, we found authentication documents for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery online at Safety Korea. More specially, there are two batteries with slightly different model numbers, EB-BS938ABY and EB-BS938ABE. The exact reason these two slightly different part numbers exist is unclear, but make no mistake, unlike Samsung's foldable smartphones, each Galaxy S25 Ultra unit will use a single battery, not two. Samsung's supply chain strategy is slowly revealing the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery specifications are not mentioned in the Safety Korea documents. But one other bit of information they confirm is the manufacturer. These Galaxy S25 Ultra batteries are made by Ninja Amperex Technology Limited in China. If the name sounds familiar, it's likely because Ninja Amperex was one of Samsung's battery suppliers for the Galaxy S24 lineup, along with the Samsung SGI and Atlantic. Back to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, other rumors say that the phone will support a 5000 mAh battery with a 45-watt fast battery charging capabilities. Samsung should unveil the phone early next year. On the other hand, Samsung Electronics officially confirmed the development of the Exynos 2500 mobile processor during its Q2 2024 earnings call. This powerful new chipset, built on Samsung's second generation 3nm process, is anticipated to be a key component of the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 lineup smartphones. Promising improved performance and energy efficiency, the Exynos 2500 is expected to power the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus models in most markets. However, reports indicated that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in certain regions like China and North America. So for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time. Bye bye.